friends, guess what? The truck came, woo! As you can see in the background, we already started unloading some boxes. I'm so excited to get my office unpacked. I've been eagerly waiting to do that. I have so much stuff that I need to like organize and just get settled in. So today I'm going to try to start unpacking, or at least just organizing where I want everything to go. But let the unpacking vlog begin. Hey friends, it's the next day. Sorry, I did not get like any footage of us like bringing in the majority of the office stuff just because it was like a crazy day. Also, look, Callie's back in the office with me. She's back to work, and Shay is also hanging out. Oh, is she gonna go over to Callie? Nope. But yeah, it's been a crazy past few days. Luckily, all of my office stuff is in this room, so it's just a matter of unpacking and organizing and getting everything exactly how I want it. Shay has been loving all of the boxes. It's like a giant tower for her. She's having like the time of her life this move, but I'm still kind of unsure about the setup. Let me show you guys what I'm thinking. So here's the door to the office, and there's actually two doors. This is the kitchen, and this is like the main one. And I don't know if I want to get like French doors or something to close it off. This is technically the dining room, so that's why there aren't doors. But we have my cube organizer that my husband made me. I was gonna put it here against this wall. It kind of stinks that there's like this light switch here, so I can't like put it all the way over, but it should be fine. And then I was thinking here, do my like L-shaped corner shelf, and then my two wooden shelves here, but this wall isn't as long, so maybe just one like wooden shelf. And then over on this side, I think my husband wants to do the custom like shelving, and that's where like the ladder would be. And then over here, I guess kind of like the other office, just have my like 3 cart organizers and just like anything else. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure, to be honest. Also, I'm so happy to be back with floors because the carpet in my old office like drove me crazy. I ended up buying one of those like plastic mats to put under your desk because otherwise my chair would not be able to like roll around, and it drove me so crazy because the plastic would always move and it was just a whole thing. So I'm so happy to be back to just like regular flooring. And I'm also really thankful that the lighting situation worked out. It was really important for me to be like in front of a window because that's when you get this really gorgeous like natural lighting. So I set up my desk right in front of the window, and I am testing it out today, and it looks great. It's actually a cloudy day. It's so weird being back on the East Coast and experiencing like cloudy days, and then this upcoming week it's going to rain Monday through Friday. Like rip, I am not used to that at all. Poor Callie is not used to that, so it'll be an adjustment. Also, just like the winter in general too is going to be so harsh, and I'm not ready for it. But yeah, I just wanted to check in. I feel like it'll be a little bit of time before everything gets situated, but we are making slow progress. It'll be cool to look back on this video and see what I started with and then see what it transforms into. Hey guys, it's so comical. I feel like I've come on like 3 times already and nothing is done, but today I am finally going to start paying attention to the office and trying to put it together. I think I'm first going to focus on building my shelves, and then we'll kind of go from there. My yarn cube did get a little dirty, so I want to clean that out. My mom is coming over though, so she's gonna help me. Shay is still having a great time. She loves climbing all over everything. Part of me doesn't want to take away the boxes behind me because she loves climbing on them. And yesterday she found the moving blanket spot, so she's been sleeping there, even though she has a whole cat tower right there. But that's cats for ya. Oh, I did find Anchor as well. Of course I had to take him out. I want to also like move my plants back in here, put them up top there. They did survive the move. They did get a little dinged up though. I can't remember if I told you guys this or not. I'm like losing it. But okay, I'm gonna put on some Gilmore Girls and we are going to assemble some furniture. I just wanted to take a quick break from the video to talk about today's sponsor, Foreo. With all of the moving stress and craziness, my skin has definitely been feeling the effects. So last year, I actually introduced Foreo's UFO 3 into my skincare routine, and I have been a big fan of their products since. And with that being said, I'm super excited to introduce to you Foreo's FAQ 202, a new generation FDA cleared LED face mask. And spoiler alert, Foreo is having amazing Black Friday deals this year, so stay tuned to hear more. So I personally have been wanting to try an LED face mask for so long, so I was so excited excited to try this. I always try to prioritize taking care of my skin, but let's be honest, sometimes it's kind of hard to keep up with, and this is exactly why I love the FAQ 202. It gives me all of the benefits of professional skincare technology without even having to leave my house. The FAQ 202 has 8 different wavelengths, including NIR, which helps tackle signs of aging and other skin concerns. It's ultra lightweight and wireless, so you can move around freely and multitask. And with its unique design, there is no other mask like it. So all I do is apply the FAQ Red Light Peptide Serum to my clean, dry face, and then I place the FAQ 202 over my face, turn it on, and start my treatment. I also love that there's an app that will guide you through all the different treatment options. I personally have been loving the 5-minute quick refresh treatment. I can easily still crochet as I enjoy my LED facial treatment, and I've noticed that my skin feels smoother, softer, and less dull ever since I started using it. And the great news is that Foreo is having amazing Black Friday deals, so now is the perfect time to shop. So if you want to check it out, click the link down below in my description box and use my code Jenna35 to get an additional 35% off on almost all Foreo products, even the ones that are already on sale. That means you can get up to 50% off on Foreo products. Thank you again, Foreo, for being a longtime sponsor of my channel, and with that, let's get back into it. We have the wood shelves. I was just reminiscing about how many offices these wood shelves have been in. They were in my original Mississippi office, my California office, and now North Carolina. These wood shelves are honestly so great. I would highly recommend them to anybody. I got them from Amazon, amazing quality. They've survived every single move, and they're really easy to assemble. They're also just so aesthetic, so yes, highly recommend. They're on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. And then I also put together my metal cubes. I actually still have one more set, but I don't know where the little connectors went, so we'll have to wait on that. I think now that I have the shelving, I can then start unboxing stuff in the boxes and putting it back onto the shelf. I want to be better though. I don't want it to be as like cluttered, so I'm going to take my time with that. Also, I need to wipe down my cubes so we can go get the yarn and start filling that. Also, look at Shay. She's sleeping on Callie's bed. It's always so funny seeing her on Callie's bed because she's so small. looking so, so cute. I discovered that if I place his arms like this, it looks like he's like popping out of the crate, and I absolutely love it. He looks so cute. I also found my dragon and some other plushies, and it is slowly coming together. This is what the shelves are looking like. Honestly, very similar to what I had in the old office. I'm trying to be more organized though, and at the top I'm still playing around with what I want, but slowly it is coming together. I feel like this office space is a bit hard because everything is kind of out in the open. Like with my other office, I did have that closet to hide like all of this like crazy junk slash non-aesthetic things. So I might have to like borrow a closet upstairs because I don't have enough room in here. It's funny, like this office is definitely bigger, but still not big enough for everything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end up borrowing space from one of the guest bedrooms upstairs, but it is coming together, you guys. I'm very excited. The desk is looking kind of crazy, but Shay already has been sitting on her little blanket. She knows it's hers, so that's adorable. I was curious to see if she actually would sit on it. Also, look at this little baby bucket that I got from Lowe's. How cute is this? I think I'll just put like yarn scraps or something in it, but I just couldn't not get it. It was like $1. But okay, I'm gonna get back to it, guys. Hey guys, it's another day to unpack, but look behind me. My amazing husband put together my corner shelf, and it was one of those things where we bought it, you know, back in California, and we threw out the manual not thinking that we would have to move, you know, later down the line. And he basically just put it back together from like referencing the original picture and just like memory and I guess common sense. But oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let me take the camera off. So this will be the main yarn corner, and again, some things are going to be temporary because hopefully later down the line we'll have the shelves with the ladder and everything, but until then this is where the yarn will be housed. And it's honestly reminding me of my California office because it's basically the same setup, but I'm gonna try to do a better job reorganizing. I think this cube is specifically just going to be for Parfait Chunky. I know back in California and even in Mississippi I had like Bernat Velvet, I had Bernat Blanket and Parfait Chunky, and it was kind of messy, so this is just going to be Parfait Chunky. Then over here, since the shelves are bigger and wider, I'm thinking Parfait XL. And then right now, temporarily, I have this like black cube organizer. I think this is the perfect spot for my crochet chair, or maybe even the spot that Callie's in right now, but this is like a perfect little corner for Callie. And then I finally have my shelf so I can put my plants on there. I'm very excited. Also, why does it look like there's like a dark, I guess it's the shadow from this light. I'm like, what is that? And then over here, you guys already saw me put it together, but these are my wood shelves. And again, this is gonna be temporary, but I'm just gonna put yarn in there as well. And then I have my cart on that side, and then I have another cart on this side. I don't know if I like that though. I'm still kind of like testing out where I wanna put things, but right now this is what my desk is looking like. And this is just yarn that needs to go into the cubes. And speaking of yarn, all of these black trash bags are filled with yarn. And then you can't see it right now, but there's 4 large Home Depot boxes. These are all filled with yarn. And there's another stack of 4 Home Depot boxes. So altogether we have 8 large Home Depot boxes filled with yarn, and then we have all of these big trash bags filled with yarn. So that'll be fun to go unpack and organize, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. This is like the last step to really make my office feel like my office. I need my yarn. I need to have access to it so I can crochet again. Shay is just like, what is going on? But okay, I'm gonna set up a cool time lapse and you guys will see me fill my yarn shelf. and Shay are having so much fun in the new office. At first I didn't even see Shay. She blended right in. She fits perfectly on this shelf. Hi, baby. She won't even like acknowledge me. She's pretending like she's sleeping. And then hi, Callie. So I put yarn on these two shelves because I think it looks really nice and aesthetic in my videos. And then slowly making progress over here with the yarn cubes and the shelves. I had to do this off camera for you guys because my camera died. And then over here, I still don't know what kind of yarn I want to put in these cubes for now. I just put random yarn there. I'm gonna fix it. But I'm guessing like either Bernat Velvet, since I have a bunch and it could look cute, or just Bernat Blanket, which I have less of. So I don't know. We'll have to think. And then we'll also have to think what I want in these little cubes here. Not cubes, shelves. I'll have to think what I want in the shelves. But yeah, so far so good. I'm loving the rainbow. It was kind of hard to do exact rainbow because I don't have like even numbers of colors. Part of me wants to go on a shopping spree and like actually buy up like the full cube worth of colors, but I'm like, no, I gotta refrain. Clearly I have enough pinks. But yeah, slowly making progress. The office is still looking kind of crazy, but we're getting there. Hey friends, I think the office is officially done for now. I feel really good about how it's set up for the time being, and until we make the custom shelving and everything, this is perfect for right now. So let me give you the tour. So here is how the Parfait Chunky / Little Bunny cube turned out. I love the rainbow colors. We have Callie, of course, sleeping down here. And then for the corner shelf, I added my plants. They did survive, thank goodness, especially this goddess. So happy she survived because she just like adds so much to the office. I don't know if I'm honestly happy with like the placement of the yarn colors. I might play around with it, but this corner is looking fabulous. I do actually need more plants because this is like empty now. You can't really see this while I'm filming though, so it's not really a priority. And then over here we have my tapestry from pig_zig. Thank you so much for sending that to me a while ago. I think it's been like 2 years, but I had it in every single office, Mississippi, California, and now wait, I forgot what state we're in. Oh, North Carolina. And then we just have the cart like I showed you guys. Over here, I added this lovely lamp that my mom gave me. It's like a stained glass lamp. It's so, so pretty. It reminds me of a cherry blossom tree. So that's what we have right here. This is kind of temporary. Then we have my wooden shelves. Nothing really changed much over here. And then I added anchor and my sinker eye organizer. I still need to unpack all of my sinker eyes. That is the last box. Then we have another tiered organizer. And then of course we have Miss Shay. And this is what my desk is looking like. And then lastly, we have Shay's little corner over here. I'm honestly so happy with how it turned out. It feels so nice to be done unpacking and really just get organized. And today is the first day I'm actually like back to work crocheting. I need to finish my second reindeer because the pattern comes out tomorrow and I need to take pictures. I'm making a toffee version. So that is what I'm going to sit down and do. I feel so calm. I love my new office. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me unpack and kind of set it up. And I'm so excited for later down the road while we make some renovations, we add some other things. I want to get a chair. I'll definitely give you guys updates along the way as I make these little improvements in the office. But yeah, I can't wait for this new chapter. Thank you so much again for all of your amazing love and support, especially all of the support and love you gave me through the moving process. And here's to many videos to come in North Carolina. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!